So I'm going to show you why this house is one of the coolest places you can buy in Orlando. You're going to be really excited about it, and I'm going to show you why this is different than other communities that you have to choose from and what's so special about it. So let's take a look around. Hey, welcome in. So we're back at Sugarloaf Ridge in Minneola, and I'm going to show you why this community is just going to be blow your socks off as far as what you're probably looking for in a community, a home builder, price range, everything that you want to know. This is it, and I'm going to show you why. And as always, this information is on the house. And if you're looking for a fresh look on a new home that you're looking for in Orlando, don't overlook Minneola. We're here in Sugarloaf Ridge, and I'm going to show you all the benefits of being in this community and the homes that they're being built here. So we're in the master suite right now, the primary bedroom, and the only things that aren't included in this home, probably obviously the furnishings, but they did do a few upgrades on the walls, but they come with this very plush carpet, window blinds, 9-foot ceilings, this master suite with a huge walk-in shower that we've already seen, dual vanities with quartz and shaker style cabinets, just lots of room. This is a king size bed, and you've got dressers on either side, lots of natural light coming in here, so this is great. This home also comes with a loft. So in addition to the 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, or 2 bathrooms, I'm sorry, you get this wonderful loft space up here that you can do anything you like with. And I showed this in our original video when I did this tour, and I didn't know how they were gonna map this out, whether there's gonna be a TV on the wall or an office space or a home gym, but I like what they've done here. This furniture is still full size, and there's lots of room here. So there's a nice pathway to all the bedrooms and the laundry area. And it's just quiet space. You can use it any way you like, right? So we've got secondary bedrooms here. They put a day bed in here, and like I mentioned before, these rooms are a little bit smaller. This is probably more of a starter size home with the smaller bedrooms, but it's still got 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2-car garage, a nice big lot. So some of the things, there's give and take, right? So a little bit smaller bedrooms versus having neighbors right on top of each other. So a well-appointed secondary bathroom here, granite countertops, just like everything else, well-appointed tile. You got the luxury vinyl plank flooring. Another bedroom in here. Again, I like this one because it's got 2 windows in it. It's got a window here, and in the walk-in closet, it's got another window. So even though a secondary bedroom with a walk-in closet is one thing, but to have one with a window in it and bring in some more natural light just goes an extra long way, in my opinion. You got nice 2-panel doors. Most builders have gotten away from the 6-panel that were kind of dated. So I like this upgraded 2-panel doors. And then look at this laundry room. Again, you've got a window in your laundry room with, and this is a fixed glass, so there's no pane here, no window to open, but it brings in all that light in your laundry room. Plenty of shelving up here, full-size washer and dryer, your utility closets in the back there, luxury vinyl plank flooring. So it's got everything that you're looking for, in addition to all the benefits that come along with being in this community, the lot sizes, the low HOA, the amenities, and location to everything else too. Let's go downstairs and take a look at that. Okay, and as we view the downstairs of this home, again, this is all the bedrooms are upstairs in this, but in the downstairs is all your living space. So you're not competing noise-wise, privacy-wise with the rest of the family. Down here is just wide open living space. You've got this really nice wide entry. I'm 6'2", and I'm not quite all the way, but this is pretty abnormal here. Again, luxury vinyl plank included. You got the nice fixtures on the doors. All the blinds are included. You got the recessed lighting everywhere, and then we step into this gorgeous kitchen. Again, with the quartz countertops, the 42-inch cabinets, luxury vinyl plank floors everywhere. You just can't beat all the things that are included in this home automatically. It's hard to find inventory homes in this price range with this much land in Orlando area. So I would encourage you to give me a call, and I can tell you more about it, what incentives they might be having at the time you're ready to purchase, and we can go over and pick out your lot and do whatever you want, and I can show you around Minneola too. Okay, and another great feature of this home is this great eat-in space. This is a large table. It seats 6 people. and it's right off the kitchen, so it's a little bit private from the main living area, and it's kind of dedicated here. You don't have to have a dining room if you don't want one, but it's a great complement to the way this floor plan works out. Everything else, the convenience of having your own, this is under cover, so it's nice and protected. If you want to sit out here and have your morning coffee or watch the sunset at evening, have some wine, whatever you want to do. Huge backyard. This is what I love about this community, and we talked about this a little bit more, is these are 45, 55, and 65 foot wide lots. And then you've got 35 feet of backyard space on most of these models. Some sit a little bit further back, but having this much yard in this close to the city is really rare. And this price range especially. You can still find it in some resale homes or in new home communities, but you're gonna pay way, way extra. This home, the lot's included automatically priced, so you don't have to worry about that. So I would encourage you to pick a home site that has a nice big lot to begin with, and you'll just benefit from that all day long, because you can see how far away the neighbors are over here on this home. Generally in every other neighborhood that I tour, normally every house that I look at is built with concrete block and stucco. And stucco is just wrought with problems over time, right? Because it develops little hairline cracks and water gets in there. It's easier to repaint, and you don't have all those cracks to deal with either. So lots of benefits to this community. Lennar is a great builder. I've been doing business with them for quite a long time. I would encourage you to come out, check out Sugarloaf Ridge, see all the benefits that we're about to explain to you. So obviously everything's under construction here still too. This is a brand new community, which brings out benefits to you because you have all the lots in the world to pick from. They kind of sell them in phases, so they're not going to open up, I can't build the house way at the other end, but you kind of get to choose your lot. And like I mentioned, the bigger the lot, the better the home value will be, the more you get to enjoy it. Some of the other benefits are having these porches on the front and the back. The amenity center is going to be, I can see it from here, so depending on where you're at in the community, it's very walkable, it's centrally located. So you'll have the pool, the pickleball courts, the basketball courts in this community that you can walk to. It's got nice wide streets. I don't know if there's going to be, I'm sure there's going to be street parking allowed, but I like wide streets in case people do park on it. You're not waiting for somebody to pass. Just those small things that I notice that you're probably not looking at while you're touring a home, that I notice about the community that I'm going to like. They've got really cool modern streetlights. This home, again, mentioned, everything's included with Lennar. So you get your blinds, you get the flooring that we saw in there. The appliances are included. These wonderful paint colors, everything is kind of done for you. So it takes a lot of that stress off your table when you're buying a home, because the process can usually take several months and you're responsible for a lot of things along the way. Lennar kind of eases that for you and makes it simple. And I think you'll like it. Okay, so thank you for sticking around and listening to all I had to tell you about Sugarloaf Ridge. If you're looking for a new home in Orlando, Lake County and Minneola might be a good fit for you, and I'd love to give you a tour. You can reach me anytime and we can set something up, whether it's a phone call or an in-person tour. My number is 321-439-4277. I've even got a guide all about Lake County that we can capture here too. I'd love to have a conversation with you. And as always, this information is on the house.